Hey, it's Brian here. We've got another rental unit that needs some repair done on it. We had asked the tenant to move out because of all the damage that she was creating to the property, and anyway, it's got a lot of wall damage that was being done. We were just having problems with them, so we had asked her to move. She actually had somebody that said they weren't living here with her, but they were actually living here with her and not on the lease, and they were just running through here fighting and just messing up everything. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's just bad enough to where a little bit of stuff needs to be done, and it makes a big job out of a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna kind of walk through and show y'all the stuff that we're gonna try to fix. Some of it we may let ride, but starting off right here at this screen door, right when you walk in the trailer, in a mobile home, this door, they said they did not know what happened, but it looks just like a foot has kicked into it. We'll move on inside. And then walking up on the porch, you see damage, and then as soon as you walk in, this light switch, there's a mark right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's an indentation. And then this here is busted out. This wall right here below this light switch is busted out. I'm gonna try to repair that. And then as you walk on into the hallway, behind this door, there's a couple of indentions into the wall. I'm not sure, maybe while they were moving in and out they did those. And there's a spot right there that's torn in the ceiling. Something grabbed it. Another spot right there in that trim around that door frame. And then there's a hole in this door. We're gonna, rather than replace the door, we'll try to repair it somehow. Then we'll back up into this middle bedroom. They tore the door off the closet. For some reason, I don't know, all the hinges on it were bent and they were torn off. I'm not sure exactly why. Maybe somebody was hiding in the closet from another person or something and had it held to or locked, and they tore the closet off the wall trying to get to them. I don't know. It was I don't know the situation. I just know we were always getting complaints about them fighting over here. So not only were they fighting with each other, they were fighting with our mobile home. But anyway, there's not a lot of damage in the bathroom. There's a damage behind this bathroom door here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a stopper down there that's supposed to stop the door from hitting into the wall. You can't see it. You can see it right there, but it's right at the same angle where the doorknob is. They would have to really push on that door to get it all the way into that wall. Anyway, there's the front bedroom. There's really no damage from them in here. There's a couple of issues we're gonna have to look at. This piece of trim down here is broken. We've got something going on with the ceiling up here. And then let's look behind this door. There's probably damage behind it. No, the only door without any damage. That ceiling fan is kind of wobbly. It's not their fault, but it's something I may try to address while I'm down here doing some repairs on it. But in the living room, we've about decided they've painted, trying to fix some of their damage here in the living room. because the rest of the house has got wallpaper covering the walls, and this is the only rooms with paint in it. And I don't know, I don't think I saw the unit before they rented it out. It was under some other people taking care of the maintenance on them. So I don't believe I wasn't the one preparing it for the last time, but anyway, I believe they have painted over trying to fix some things on it. I don't know if you can see it right here. Yeah, maybe you can a little bit. It's got a lot of scratches under the paint. Like maybe where they had a chair or something here that was rubbing the wall and they tried to paint over it. I mean, it's better than probably it was, but I wish they wouldn't have painted over this wallpaper. So we're gonna probably have to paint over a lot more of it. And then I'm not sure how you tear up a piece of crown molding. But anyway, it's busted out up there. And then there's a hole right here. This little small hole has to be repaired. Then we have the kitchen. Let me show y'all something. This is a neat feature of this unit right here. You walk into the kitchen and there's a stove, and you got kitchen cabinets and the refrigerator. I wonder what's inside of these kitchen cabinets. Oh, it's not kitchen cabinets at all. It goes into the laundry room. It goes into the laundry room for the washer and dryer. And it's got little storage areas over here for all your stuff. Anyway, then you come back out. And it's just a hidden room. It's neat. But these doors are damaged. It's torn apart right there. We'll have to repair that, just screw it back together and kind of sturdy it up a little bit. And then we've got some damage right here above this AC vent. Maybe a foot kicked it or something. Not sure. People don't have respect for other people's property. Then we go into the master bedroom where a lot of the fighting probably took place. We've got a smoke detector missing. And of course another hole behind the door. There's a door right there where it slams into, but it's got a stopper down here. They really got to be pushing on it to make that door hit that wall. You got to come through there mad as all get out to make that door get into that wall, because it's got a stopper down there. It's not supposed to let that happen. We got damage down here, damage right there, and then as we move over here right inside this wall, look at that big hole. Looks just like a fist went right in. Boom. Why would somebody want to hurt another man's wall? I mean, luckily it wasn't her head, I guess. And then we move on down in the master bedroom. We got another hole right there. It looks like another fist or a foot. And then you move on around this wall. Down here at this plug-in, we've got a problem to take care of. We may just take that plug-in, well, I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna fix it. And then that's about all of the holes that are in the walls. Let's look behind this door over here. It looks fine. And then around this sink base, it's not nothing that they did, but I'll come back and clean some of this caulk up and re-caulk around here, make it a little more watertight. It's got a big garden tub in here. Shower, I don't see any problems in there. All right, well that's about all the damage that's been done. Looking around, I'm sure there's a few other little things. A few things I see here and there. I may run around and put a few staples and some trim that's loose on the walls. And let's look at this AC filter. This is one thing a lot of people forget about. You got to change these AC filters. If they get stopped up and they're bad on your unit. It doesn't even have filters in it. So we'll need to get some filters on that. But anyway, all in all, this could have been a lot worse. If we would have continued to let them stay here, they probably would have just completely demolished the whole unit. But luckily we caught them before too much more damage was done. So let me put this camera down, try to get some tools lined up and ready to work with. And I'm not a professional at any of this sheetrock finishing or trying to patch holes or anything, but I might try to video a little bit of it just to show you how we're going to try to fix it. It might help somebody.